What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, I thought I would start dropping these videos to help people that are in a situation like myself, or maybe you just need some capital for, Amazon FBA to go buy products, or CPA marketing to go out for, ad campaigns, or maybe you just want to buy a website or get an app made, or whatever the case may be, right? So your boy has awful credit as of right now, at least compared to the people that are in like your sevens and 800s. Your boy just broke into the 600. So I'm at like a 627 right now because, just got started with all of this a few months ago. I haven't even tried to touch credit or anything like that, since I was like 21, 20, something around there. Just after I had started, my business and everything, it was like, oh, I can just buy everything outright. I bought all my houses outright, bought the cars outright. Like, what? I don't need credit, And now I'm like, man, it would be really nice to buy my next house and buy another house this year without having to empty in a bank account, or anything like that. Because I'm going to get like a pretty decent house this year, or I might get an apartment building. Obviously, I'll let you guys know in the future. But anyway, if you're like me, you don't have the best credit score right now. What you want to do is try these people. They actually gave me a loan. I know, super shocking. At least it was to me because your boy never got a loan before, like as a full blown adult or whatever. And yeah, they gave me a loan for $1,400, and you guys can see it right here. All right, boom. Paid December 14th or whatever. This one was December 22nd. Now, at least with these people, how it works is if you pay over, they just put it into your next month's like payment. So I think this was originally like $45 a month or something like that. But since I paid over, it dropped the payments down to $43.33. So the goal is not to pay it off as soon as possible. That's not really the point. You want to go and just pay it off, like monthly, just go out there and pay it off. But obviously, you also don't want to go out there and pay $1,000,000 in interest, So just at least for me, I just pay double and call it a day. If you can afford that, then by all means do that. But I mean, on these type of loans, and if you follow me, you should definitely be able to, afford paying $75 a month or whatnot. But yeah, this place is called Upstart. It works fantastic. Like I said, it worked for me. I don't get paid for telling you this or anything like that. Just go to upstart.com, or I just put a link to it down below. But yeah, I just thought I would let you guys know about this because, like I said, I am going out and doing the whole credit building process right now. So maybe I can start making some videos about that to help you guys out. Because maybe you haven't hit your first big campaign yet. Maybe you haven't gone out and bought your first house in cash yet or anything like that. So yeah, I actually met this dude, like I said, from the Amazon stuff. Sold plenty houses this year, so he's taking me underneath his wing or whatever for like the real estate space and try and build my credit score up so then I can go get a home equity loan and then use that money so I don't have to use my own money to go buy more houses for rental property or flip them. So yeah, this is going to be pretty fun. This should be a really good year. If you have like a super low credit score like I did, like my stuff was literally at like 500 because again, just didn't use it. I was like, I don't need credit. I was that guy, right? And it went up over 100 points in just a few months. And what I did was, well, actually went up basically over 100 points in pretty much 2 months. So I went and paid off every single thing that I owed. And I know there's a lot of people that say, oh, you should never pay stuff on your credit score. You never pay it off. Never pay it off. Just get it removed and this and that. Like, for me, that's cool if you want to do that. That, by all means, that's perfectly cool if you want to go out and do that. But for me, if I feel like if I owe someone money, I should just pay them. That's just me. And I feel like it's more, like I said, the way it works in my head, obviously that might not be how it actually works. I'm not trying to pretend like I know how to build credit score like a pro or anything like that. But it's like, let's say you got George over here, right? And then George owes 50 other people, and then you go to somebody else, try to get a loan. But you still owe all those 50 people. I feel like if you paid those 50 people off and then went to the new person, they're way more likely to give you a loan, or at least be able to show that you have been paying on them and making consistent payments and stuff like that. At least that's in my head how it goes or whatever. But obviously, I'll keep you guys updated on the scores and how things are going with that. I'm also starting an expedite business or whatnot. So your boy's been extremely busy and going to be pretty busy this year. Also thinking about getting into um, buying cars and flipping them. That seems like that is just stupid easy money. Like you got people out here buying cars for like $3,000 and then literally just because they're like financing them, they can sell them for $7, $8, $10,000 solely just because they're being financed. So just because someone financed it, they have to pay a premium of like $6,000. Like that is crazy. But that's the game you got to play. Also, if you have a low credit score and you get that high 26, 27, or whatever percentage, in my opinion, you just got to pay to play. And again, if you follow me, you shouldn't really have a problem making, at least on a super small loan like this, you really shouldn't have a problem just paying it off at any given time. Said if you are new around here, watch my older videos. You can see some stuff that'll really help you out. If you're a brand new person into everything, I highly recommend that you do Amazon FBA. You can get that startup super low for literally a couple $100. I took $300 and turned it into over $40,000 in gross sales in just 8 months. So you guys can go back and watch that whole little series and everything with that as well. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this where places I've actually gotten loans from, and stuff just to, because I mean, if a lot of people say, oh yeah, you can go to this place, this place, this place, this place, and this place, but they never actually went there and did it themselves. Like I actually got money from these people, So anyway, that's it.